Hey everyone, it's Destiny. I'm back with another video. I was playing in makeup recently and I came up with this cut crease, fun, glam look using all NYX makeup and all NYX products. So if you want to know how I got this look, then keep watching. So I started by priming my face with the NYX Angel Veil Skin Perfecting Primer, and I did my eyebrows off screen and I did use the NYX Microbrow pencil to do that. I'm going to prime my eyes using the NYX Glitter Primer because I am using products that do have glitter in them, so I want the glitter to really shine through. And then on top of the glitter primer, I'm going to be using the NYX eyeshadow base in the color White Pearl. So for my eyes, I'm going to be using two palettes. The first one is the NYX Avant Pop eyeshadow palette in Art Throb, and the second is the NYX Dreamcatcher palette in the color Dusk Till Dawn. So I'm going to go first in the Dreamcatcher palette, and I'm going to take this color here. They don't have names, but it's like a taupe type of color, and I'm going to use it as my transition color. I'm going to put that all in my crease. I'm going to take these two colors at the bottom here. It's like, one is like a brown coppery and one's more of a darker brown. I'm going to take a combination of those two colors and put that in my crease as well. I'm taking the NYX Gotcha Covered Waterproof Concealer, and I'm using that to cut my crease. And I'm also going to take the concealer and make a slight little wing with the concealer, because I want my eyeshadow to have a wing with it too. So on top of the concealer that I just put on, I'm going to go in the NYX Avant Pop palette, and I'm going to take this gold color. Again, this doesn't have a name, but it's a gold, champagne cut type gold, and I'm going to put that all over my lid. Now I'm going to take this orange color, put that color in the outer corner of my lid, more specifically on the wing that I created with the concealer. So I'm going for a whole gold to orange transition. And now I'm just going to go back and perfect my transition color in the crease. I did get this double-ended brush. They don't sell this, but I received it as one of those rewards for spending a certain amount of money from NYX. So I'm finished with eyes for now. I'm just gonna go on and do my face makeup and return to the eyes later. So for my foundation, I'm using the NYX Total Control Drop Foundation. This is my first time using it, and I was actually kind of disappointed. It is buildable coverage, but I felt as though it was so lightweight that I couldn't feel it on my face, and that's good. You never want to feel like you're wearing makeup, but it just felt like I didn't put anything on, and I had to like keep looking in the mirror to make sure that I did have something on, and that feeling was kind of to me. The foundation is really watery, so it will drip all over your face. It's not really thick, but it does mattify a little bit, not too much, but it's not as dewy as I thought it would be. And now for my under eye concealer, I'm going to be using NYX Gotcha Covered Concealer again, and I'm going to put that under my eyes, on my cupid's bow, on my chin, my forehead, and the middle of my nose. Even when I mean the most to you, in case you go and leave me. And then for my contour, I'm gonna take the NYX Wonderstick. I did a review on this. If you want to know what I feel about this, it's one of my favorite contour sticks ever. I'm gonna take the dark end. I'm gonna contour my cheekbones, my nose, and my chin and jawline.
thinking I'm heartless.
And then now I'm going to take the NYX Set It Don't Fret It setting powder, and I'm going to really put that on my under eye. I'm going to really focus it on my nose contour because I want my nose to be snatched. You know, sometimes you want to live life with different noses. Just pop out. Lighter side of the NYX Wonderstick and use it to really cut my cheekbone contour, make it really sharp and, you know what I mean? We're gonna go back to our eyes. I'm gonna take this really bright blue and I'm just gonna dip it a little bit in the green next to it just to give it like a turquoise type of look. And I'm gonna put that on my lower lash line and I'm gonna extend that all the way out to meet the wing that I made with the orange color earlier. So essentially, I'm gonna have the wing with the orange, the wing with the green, and I'm gonna put eyeliner on and make another wing. So we're gonna have 3 wings. This liquid crystal body liner in the color Crystal Silk and really cut my crease with it, but I'm not gonna cut the whole crease. I'm just gonna start at my inner corner of my eye and go halfway to like the highest point of my eyelid. I used one of the NYX triple eyeshadows, take the hot pink, and I'm gonna use that as my blush. And lately I've been like going really ham on blush. Like I really like the idea of like blush cheeks, so that's what I'm gonna do. Then I'm going to take this NYX Illuminator, and this color is in Narcissistic because we all got to be a little narcissistic sometimes. And it's like a gold, it looks pink, but it's more of a gold with pink reflex. And so I'm going to use that as my cheekbone highlight. And for my nose highlight, I'm going to take the gold that I use on my eyelids, and I'm going to use that as the highlight for everywhere else. I'm going to take the liquid crystal body liner that I used to cut my crease, and I'm going to put that on the inner corner of my lower lash line. For my lips, I'm going to be using the NYX Lingerie liquid lipstick, and I'm going to be using a combination of 2. The first one is in the color Exotic, and then the next one that I'm going to focus on the center of my lips is in the color Dusk to Dawn. So I set my face with the Dewy Finish setting spray from NYX too as well. So there you guys have it. I completed this look using all NYX products. I definitely think that NYX is a brand that people should get into because it is very affordable and you can find it at nearly every drugstore. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more videos like this, then hit the subscribe button. And if you want to be notified every single time that I upload a new video, then hit the bell button right next to the subscribe button. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.